Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. Today I am going to do the companion page to this one. Now this was a page I did for the budget game over at Ginger's Corner where we had $2.50 to spend on each layout we did. Certain things were free, your photos were free, your base page was free, your patterned paper was a charge, your adhesive was a charge, embellishments, using tools was a charge. I'll link that video below that I did this page on, but I was planning on doing a double page, but I had to pare it back because there's no way I could do a double page for $2.50. So I put the second page away to do as a companion page later on, and I'm going to do that now. So this is the original one, and this is the companion one. So I don't have a spending limit on this one, but it is going to be pretty close, I think, to the $2.50, maybe $3, something like that. I've got all these embellishments that I had picked out to use and to choose from. So I am going to put all them aside and continue with this page to make the companion page. So I'll be back. Sorry my voice is going. So if I sound croaky, apologies for that. But I'll be back when this is complete. Okay, so there's the completed double page. I'm not sure if you can see it all. I think you can. I'm hoping you can. So this one I already knew where the photos were going. I must have moved them in a little bit more though, because my journaling spot here that did fit before was now too wide, so I must have had a narrower border either side, but it doesn't matter. I've got the 5 photos, sorry, so I knew where they were going and I roughly knew what I was going to add to the page. I knew I wanted these banners and I had another banner, so I added it to the original page. So this now has gone over budget, but anyway, added that and also a bird here to match the birds, or a bird that I put on this page. And yeah, added more rhinestones and the die cuts that I had sort of picked out that I wanted to use. So there is my double page, and I just wanted to quickly do the companion page so that you could see it. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.